Welcome to an undisclosed location here in County Tyrone. We are living the dream here, however, it is a bit of a wet dream today. We won't let that dampen our spirits too much, however, there is an issue we need to discuss. The issue is in fact the Parkside middle aisle Vortex. That is a phenomenon that exists in every Lidl store. If you go on and you're a middle-aged sort of a gentleman like me, you get sucked into the middle aisle and you end up buying stuff like this that you don't need. About 8 weeks ago, I purchased this. Have I opened it? No. So why did I buy this thing? Because it was only $7.99 and I convinced myself I might need some emergency lighting at some time. Although it's fair to say that $7.99 is not a lot of money for a little impulse buy, it is clear I do have a problem. I have been sort of trying to deal with that problem by staying away from Lidl altogether for the last couple of months. But today, I'm going to go to the belly of the beast. I'm going to go, not to the dark side, to the Parkside. Right now we're going to go on a little road trip and see if I can resist temptation for once in my life. Here we are at budget German retailers Lidl. We won't be needing a trolley today. It's all household stuff here, so safe enough so far. No temptation, air fryers and the like. Holiday stuff, that's all holiday stuff, I wouldn't be interested. So far I've resisted temptation. Here's a polisher for $34.99. It looks cheap, but you know, look at it. It's suboptimal. That thing will have no guts. But I don't need a polisher. Here's where the real temptation comes on. I'm always using heat shrink and there's little washers and wall plugs and stuff. Little brackets. Things that you might need. Fire extinguisher for $8.99. You never know. This little Dremel copy looks like a steal at $19.99, but I know that's suboptimal. Ended one and he burnt it out on first try. This one's really tempting. For practical reasons, it's $44.99, which isn't that cheap altogether. However, that might be useful for keeping in the house for DIY jobs around the home. I have to admit that one's tempting. They're crafty, they keep the milk at the back of the shop, so you have to pass them middle aisle. They've changed the 4 amp Parkside batteries. They're very funky looking with the battery indicator. It's all very space age. It's basically the same battery because it is an 18650 cell battery. It's the same thing. I have to admit, this toolkit, even though the price is not that fancy, this toolkit is tempting even though the price isn't that good. This one's interesting. 20 volt solar robot lawnmower charging station. $79.99. I think I'm going to go when the going's good. I'm getting out of here. I can't believe it. I've got out unscathed. Empty-handed. Back in the car. Empty-handed. Totally unscathed. I survived my addiction for at least once. I was tempted by that little household toolkit, but I decided no. And I'm happy. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. And put in the comment section if there's anything in particular you want me to get and do a little review on. I'd be more than happy to do that for you.